How phone repair saved my life. If I fall back to the year 2020, it was a really very difficult period for me. Then I was still schooling and I was still on my job. I know so many people will be wondering, is it possible to do those two things at the same time? Yeah, I did it and it was perfect. What actually helped me was coordination and consistency. Yeah. So back to how it saved my life. I got scammed while in school about a couple of dollars, and I literally run bankrupt. My school was around the corner, my rent was around the corner, my exam was all close. I had to pay those bills out to get back to my feet. And I literally had no money. But I have one thing, the skill to fix a phone. This skill, many people seems to underrate it, but don't. So consistently, I keep on working, I keep on showing up. Consistently, I keep on fixing, I keep on working hard with all the challenges. And trust me, within a couple of months, I was able to get everything back. From fixing Android phone to fixing smaller phones to fixing MP3 to fixing anything fixable that is looking like phone or phone related. So back to school after a while, I was able to pay my school fees. I was literally fixing phone for up to $100. And one thing is this: if you trust God in what you do, believe me, things will always work out fine. It will always work out for your good. Then he began to bring me clients that pays. Like, having customers is not enough, but having the ones that pay, having the ones that are ready to foot the bills. I guess in my next video, I'm going to talk about how you can get customers that do the pay and how you can convince a customer to pay. Yeah, it's not all clients that is willing to. They need it. Yeah, they really need it, but are they really ready to foot the bill? They can if they want to, but they literally don't want to. And if you don't have this cash at hand, nothing is working. So from iPhone to Android to Samsung to little button phone, I fixed everything. Then I was able to pay my rent. I was able to pay my fees. And as time goes on, I began to have people working under me. Like, I began to tutor persons. And of course, you know how it feels like tutoring someone. He has to pay for the service. Accumulated funds. Over a while, I was able to get what I want. You see the reason why I say keep doing what you know how to do best. If it's phone repairs, do it to the latter. Don't get tired. One day you will reap the fruit of your labor. Another thing that helped me while fixing those phones is knowing what to do. You're doing something. Are you doing the right thing? You're getting the knowledge. Are you getting the right knowledge? Get the right knowledge. Know what people need. Know what your customers need. When you know what your people need, they will always bring something for you to handle. The problem will always be there, and you'll be there to solve it. You'll be there to make things work out for them, and after making those things work out for them, they will have no option than to put money on your table. Yes. So the first thing is develop the skill, develop the knowledge that you already have. Improve on it. Make the best out of the knowledge you already have, and you'll find money coming your way. It's actually helped me a lot. So come to think of it, if I have not been able to raise funds for my fees, for my school fees, what will happen? I won't take my exams and I will be quitted of school. On my rent, my landlord will have to chase me out. Do I have a life anymore? No. You see what I'm talking about? That is why you always have to fall back on something tangible. I will always encourage you, learn a skill just like this one. Yes, if you actually need a mentorship program or you want a one-on-one discussion on how phone repairs work, on how we get all these things done, I'm always here for you. You can use my email. Better still, reach me out through my phone number or WhatsApp. Then we have one-on-one mentorship. So the last point is, how well are you ready to dedicate yourself? Dedication is a key. I was fully dedicated to what I do. I never get tired of it. I loved it. So you can do it.